welcome to another video. This one, of course, is gonna be called Nasta Luke's house. In case you want to see, or in case you don't. Oh, you feel like calming tackling. You're filled with determination. Quiet area. This is such a quiet area. There, now I can walk.
Here, look at this.
It's locked.
I checked the blue one.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. This is so nice. How do you not? Do you want listen to some tunes or something? Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat.
Really?
This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Yes. You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. Your face right through it. Oh, never mind. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like college. I'm so promised. Do you wanna join me? Hey, let's be trash. Okay,
Trash?
follow my lead.
Did you say something trash?
I think he said it was we're garbage. Here we go. There we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't move. So only move around when you want to get up, I guess.
Like the trash on the ground.
I don't know what to do. Should I stay?
Then just that.
Wait, oh!
Amazing.
Oh, this looks so cool.
With the trash.
Oh my god, this looks so cool.
Amazing.
Let's just admire this for a moment.
I love this. Next.
Oh, I want this in my bedroom where we can just do that. It looks super cool.
That'd be cool. Dick.
So I guess it's time to wake up. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Dun 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 dun. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it. Sometimes. The computer internet browser is open to music share. Oh, that's it? It's a spider web. There's a flyer on the base still on it. Oh, it's not the one we went to. This is the Libio Godly music. Play it. This is my favorite. Oh, this one. Once you learn the lyrics, it's hard not to sing along. Ooh, 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 Just see these labels spook way. Play it.
That sounds good.
Oh, I know this song. This city's labeled spook tunes. Play it. Oh, this is the regular one. Oh, classic spook tune. They don't make songs like this anymore.
This is dance music?
It's a snail. For some reason, I can't help but wonder what it is.
Really?
Snail, snail, a long journey extends in front of you. Snail, snail, reach for far and stretch beyond the horizon. Snail, snail, so slender, small beyond. I've been long overdue for a second house. Why are you hanging out with snails? This snail is counting dollar bills. Hey!
Sure.
Not the blue. Awkward. I'm working right now. Welcome to Blue's family snail farm. Yeah, I'm the only employer. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. What? Do you want to play a game? It's called Thundersnow. The snow will race, and if the yellow snow wins, you win. It's 10G to play. Fine. Okay. Press A to repeat to encourage your snow. Ready? 3, 2.
Go!
I burned my snow. Looks like you encouraged yourself too much. All I pressed was to see you really got into them. So,
Aww.
do you want to play a game? It's called Thundersnow. Celebrate. It's 10G to play. Fine. Okay,
Let's just
press
play one thing, one time.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I know the trick to this. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Darn it! People try your best, but the snail looks discouraged. It's done. Oh well.
I hate this game.
You thought you would actually win the thing.
There's no way to win this, huh?
So, I guess there's nothing to do.
North Walkeries, East Holland. Heavy Ledge. Are you kidding? See, I told you there's gonna be a place there that's hot, and there's gonna be land, and then the kid's gonna name it Holland. Temmie Village. What is Temmie Village?
I know.
Hey, Slash, Temmie Village.
I got something. Huh?
Oh no.
Fish.
What? 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 It's a living. Doesn't seem like anyone's home.
A fish place. I wonder who lives there.
I feel like it's undyed, so I don't want to go in there.
I have a feeling they could be a giant piranha people.
Hey, look, it's the duck that I saw. This lifted bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer. Get it right.
I need to victory duck.
I was a pleasure.
You can't see right now, but I can see.
Also, I guess it'll wait for me. Oh, we can buy some ice cream now.
Ice cream.
Let's go buy some ice cream, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no, we can get some food from the box that we got. Use the box, yes.
Food.
Okay, so we've got some cinnamon bun back. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I wanna... No, never mind. Let's go to the duck. Let him fly us back. This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer. Get it right. This is the end for a video, I guess. Goodbye!